Hello sir, myself Prince Raj Yadav of APH third year. I am going to present my case study assignment, and for this I have taken a motor shaft control system in which I am going to find the transfer function of the system for output, for which output will be required voltage and input will be given shaft speed. Starting with the definition of transfer function, which is the ratio of Laplace transform of output and Laplace transform of input while taking all initial conditions as zero. Now, since Laplace transform or Fourier transform or Z transform are very useful tools to solve any partial differential equation or exponential equation, therefore transfer function are very easy to use and very powerful tool to solve such sequence. Moving to the design, we'll have a motor whose shaft speed will be tracked by any speed measuring sensor. For example, we have taken speedometer. This sensor will send the voltage at which shaft is rotating to the sensor manager, which reads voltage and produces meaningful measured speed. We'll subtract this measured speed from the required speed to get error in the speed, and this error will be transferred to the controller, which will calculate the right set point voltage at which and this will send the change in voltage required to the voltage manager, which can be a battery, and at last required voltage will be delivered to the motor. Now coming to the mathematical model, we have this circuit diagram for our system, and transfer function for this system will be Laplace transform of applied voltage, which is V1, divided by Laplace transform of speed of the shaft, which is angular velocity. Now starting with the mesh analysis, we'll get our first equation, which is V1 minus IR minus L di by dt minus Vm, which is the potential drop across motor, equal to 0. And using Laplace transform, we get this equation number 1. Now at the motor part, we'll get Vm, which is the potential drop across motor, equal to Km into angular speed of the shaft, where Km is the voltage constant, and torque applied to the shaft, which is T, will be equal to Kt into I2, where Kt is the torque constant. And again, using Laplace transform, we can transform these equations into equation number 2 and 3. And after substituting equation 2 and 3 in 1, we'll get equation number 4. Now at rotating system, here is the free body diagram of shaft, and D is the damping constant and J is the inertia of the shaft. We'll get torque applied by the motor minus the damping by external medium, which can be anything like viscous friction from the fluid or anything else, will be equal to J into angular acceleration, which is d omega by dt, and this again can be written as this equation number 5. Now substituting equation number 5 into 4, we get our final equation, which looks like this, and from here we can get V1, which is applied voltage, divided by angular speed of the shaft, and this is our transfer function which we were looking for. So our final transfer function looks like this. Now I have taken some examples like shaft speed. At first I have taken a shaft speed as exponential function, which is e to the power minus a. Laplace transform of this shaft speed will be 1 by s plus a. Therefore required voltage would look like this. Now in next example, I have taken shaft speed as a sinusoidal function, and Laplace transform of this function will be omega by sin s square plus omega square. And again, using the transfer function, we will get required voltage as this. At last I have taken a constant shaft speed and the Laplace transform of this constant will be A by S. Again, by using transfer function we get required voltage, which looks like this. Thank you, sir. That's all from my side.